Hi, this video is about the evolution of Hyundai Genesis, later renamed as G80 from 2008 to 2023. The Hyundai Genesis is an executive 4-door, 5-passenger, rear or all-wheel drive full-size luxury sedan manufactured and marketed globally by Hyundai. In 2016, the name Hyundai Genesis was renamed as G80, which is an executive sedan. The first-generation Genesis was unveiled at the 2008 North American International Auto Show. For the 2008-09 model years, the 4.6-liter engine produced 375 horsepower. The Lambda 3.8-liter V6 produces 306 horsepower is available in Korean and North American models. The Lambda 3.3-liter V6 is available in some markets, producing 264 horsepower. V8-powered Genesis features a standard ZF 6-speed automatic transmission and the V6 models receiving an Aisin 6-speed automatic transmission. From 2012 onward, all models include 8-speed automatic transmission with SHIFTRONIC manual mode. The second-generation Genesis was previewed by the Hyundai at NAIAS 2013. Early models include a choice of 4 engines: Lambda 3.0, 3.3 GDI, 3.8 GDI and TAL 5.0 GDI, rear or all-wheel drive. All models include 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift mode and a 5-star safety rating. The second-generation Hyundai Genesis rebranded as the G80 in 2016 after Genesis Motor was established as a separate luxury division of Hyundai. The first generation debuted at the 2016 North American International Auto Show. Powertrains available included 3.8, 3.8 HTRAC, 5.0, and 5.0 HTRAC. The Russian market release in 2017 included a 2.0-liter Theta turbocharged engine. All models have an 8-speed automatic transmission with SHIFTRONIC. The Genesis G80 Sport has a twin-turbo 3.3-liter V6 engine, features sport-style bumpers, quad exhaust tips, staggered 19-inch wheels, copper tint accent chrome, copper leather stitching and a mesh grille. The second-generation Genesis G80, codenamed RG3, was officially revealed via an online livestream on March 30, 2020. There are 3 engine options: a 2.5-liter gasoline turbo engine, a 3.5-liter gasoline turbo engine, or a 2.2-liter diesel engine. All models have an 8-speed automatic transmission. The electrified G80 is the battery-electric version of the G80. It debuted at the Shanghai Auto Show on 19 April 2021. It is available in a dual-motor, all-wheel drive configuration. It uses 2 electric motors, 272 kilowatts combined. Thanks for watching Automotive Revolution. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.